YouTube. How's it going? Anyways, this is an interim episode of Cooking for College Kids. Now, I'm not actually teaching or cooking or doing anything today. What I've actually posted this video for is to get your input. Find out what you want to learn to cook, what you want to find out more about, any styles of food, any basics that you want more clarification on. Do you want me to do complicated dishes? Do you want me to just cover some of the basics and make it quick? Do you want me to act as if you don't have an oven and you're just using basic appliances that you can plug in anywhere, like a dorm room or whatever? Or do you want to learn how to cook using ovens and stoves and various other things? So, what I'd like you to do is, if you will, comment down below and let me know what you want to learn about cooking. I'll see what I can do to work that out for you, see if I can help you make your favorite meals that you're used to from home, those meals you're missing, those meals that you want to be healthy, whatever you're looking for. Just let me know and we'll see what we can do about a video. Also, to let you know a bit more about this channel, in the coming weeks I will most likely be posting videos on Wednesdays. That seems to be a pretty good day as far as scheduling and all that. So, following in the footsteps of last week's video, I will start posting another video as of Wednesday. What I'm doing this week yet, I haven't exactly decided whether I'm going to go ahead and start already with the basic Christmas meals for college students or carry on with something else. Let me know what you think about that if you have a chance. I'll most likely be talking about the Christmas meals because that's coming up and it's something that I'm sure a lot of the college students who can't go back home are going to miss. So, we'll see what we can do and help you celebrate Christmas away from home. Anyways, that's about it. What I'd like you to do as well, after you've commented, possibly like this video down below, favorite it, subscribe to the channel, see what's coming up next. I will be updating this channel frequently and hope you enjoy it. Other than that, have a good day, YouTube. I know I will.